Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. So this will be my fourth video for the night, and it is another box opening. If you didn't watch all my other videos, we'll do a quick wrist check. See, I still got that Blacklist Streetmatic on, and that is one of my Watchgang Black membership watches from October 2018. Actually really like that one. Also, if you wonder why it takes so long for me to get through some of these, is I just started another YouTube channel where I am working on some of my car projects, and so that's where some of my time is going. So this watch here, a company actually reached out to me called Raymond And Pearl, and we're going to do a quick box opening of this, and they asked if they could send me one of their Horizon watches. All right, there we go. So, of course, I said, absolutely. Nice little leather box there. Swiss made. Raymond and Pearl. I don't know why I'm obsessed with pulling the plastics off while I'm trying to make videos, guys. Sorry. So, the one I got is their Sublime yellow on mesh. We got stainless steel case, sapphire crystal. It's water resistant up to 50 meters. Man, it feels so lightweight. So I'm not sure how I feel about it. Honestly, I got this one on their silver mesh, and they had some leather options, and maybe I should have gone with a leather option, which it'll be easy enough to swap out. I'll throw it on wrist really quick just so you guys can see it. Currently, I just saw this one is on their site for $244, but I did also see that they are having a Black Friday sale, and they will be 40% off during that Black Friday sale. So that might be the time to buy. They have some really great colors. I actually really liked the red, but my sister saw the Sublime yellow and really liked it, so I decided to go with that. And it is a very bright Sunburst dial. Very clean, simple watch. Like I said, I'll do my usual. I'll do a follow-up on this one. What do you guys think of that? Let me know in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.